guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a haul video where I'm going to show you all the recent goodies I got. So I got this Macart nail art foil glue set. It comes with 2 foil glues, a base coat and a top coat. And I have already used one of the foils, and I can say this glue works really well. And it comes with 30 different foils and 3 different sets. So they're all floral, but they're like different designs. And I'm just going to show you all the different colors. You can match it to like a specific color, or you can just use it on its own on a clear nail, and it'll show up just as great. And it comes with this little smoothing tool to help you smooth out the foil, which works well. So I wanted some more like little embellishments and rhinestones, you know, because you kind of really can't create a good nail set without some bling. So I got some of these like diamond shapes and stuff, and I wanted some rose gold things so I can, you know, jazz up my nails a little bit instead of just using gold. And I will leave everything in the description box below where you can purchase these items. Here are some holographic flame nail stickers. I noticed I didn't have any, so I added that to my collection. And then I got this nail art tool set to help me do ombres, because I can't do ombres for nothing right now. So I'm just practicing with these tools. It comes with an ombre brush, a sponge tipped brush, and then like a flat brush as well. I needed some new nail stands, so these are the ones that I got. I kind of like them better than the magnetic ones because one of my magnetic little pegs already broke. So I just wanted something that was solid that you can't really break that easily. I have these Model 1's Art Deco gel polishes, and it comes in this beautiful box. Like, guys, this is hella beautiful. And it comes with, I believe, 6 gel polishes. 2 are glitter, 1 silver, 1 kind of gold. And it has a white, a burgundy, 1 light gray, and 1 beige shade. And so far, these are amazing gel polishes. I noticed that the white can get a little bit goopy, and some of the brushes on here, they're not as wide. They're kind of, you know, kind of stuck together a little bit. But here are some of the sets with the colors that I did. They do really give off some great pigments, and they're just all around great. I do recommend these gel polishes from Model 1's. And then here is one of the glitters that I did use to create a set already, and it is an amazing glitter. It's not too thick, it's not too clumpy, it is great. So I got these Beetles liner brushes so I can do some line art, because, you know, doing it with regular polish isn't really that effective. So I just got these brushes that have different lengths. So if you're doing something that has like long lines, you can use the longer brush, and if you need like a more skinny line, you can use a tinier brush. And it just has a brush for all of your lining needs. They are actually really great. I'm in the market for some new brushes, because although these are great, they're not the best, but they work for what I need them. Mainly that is it for this haul video. I will link all of my previous nail videos down below, and please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!